For this word problem, it's going to be important that we draw a picture of what is happening so we can see what's going on and decide how we need to solve it. So this one says that we have a ladder that is 13 feet long and it's leaning up against a house. Okay, so you'd have a ladder that's leaning, that's going to be slanted up against a house, which would be vertical. The ladder, makes an angle of 32 degrees with the ground. So the ground is going to be here horizontal. So the ladder starts up against the house, okay, and then the ground. So this is going to be a 90-degree angle here that the house makes with the ground. And then the ladder, it says, makes a 32-degree angle with the ground. So here's our picture. The ladder is 13 feet. And they want to know how far up the side of the house does the ladder reach. Okay, so how far up the house does the ladder reach? So here's our picture. We're going to be using right triangle trig to solve this. So SOHCAHTOA. The angle given is 32, so we'll label the sides based on that. So directly across from the 32 is the opposite side. Directly across from the 90 is the hypotenuse. So we have the O and the H, so we'll be using a sine function. So sine of the angle, 32, equals the opposite x over the hypotenuse, 13. So we can evaluate the sine of 32 in our calculator and get 0.52991, 4 or 5 decimal places is fine, equals x over 13. Then you can think of this as a proportion so that you can cross multiply, and we'll multiply the 13 times that decimal, and we will get 6.89 feet in this case to the nearest hundredth.